Alright, welcome Unitech fans. I'm Jamie Shipley, and this is my MS652 unboxing video. We're doing the MS652 part number of 2UDB00SG, and it comes with the following items. Right away you're going to notice a quick start guide. That's going to help you pair the device with your computer or smartphone. And you've got some configuration barcodes on the front and back. And this is the regulatory compliance document. And then you've got the battery, the ring scanner with the trigger module, and a USB cable, a hand strap, and a different kind of pad, a different kind of finger pad. So let's talk about the finger pads. Alright, let's start by taking off the trigger module. You'll see there's a button right there. When you press that button and line up the arrows, see the arrow, you see that arrow, but then can you see this arrow on the pad there? Line up those arrows and that allows the trigger module to separate. So with the trigger module separated, you'll see there's a pad that I like to use because of the size of my fingers. But if your fingers are a little bit larger, you might want to use this finger pad. This finger pad is flat and they're interchangeable. So it comes with three double-sided adhesives, and I already used one of them, this one. I already used this one inside between this finger pad, and these two are practice pads. This one's the permanent pad, so you'll see I'm able to just easily take that off relatively easily. And so this helps you just get a feel for which pad do you want to use. And to get those pads lined up, there's a little groove there. That you'll want to line it up. Takes a little bit of finagling. There we go, probably. Okay. I'm close, but not 100%. There we go. Okay. This side looks good. So that's that finger pad. So to put the finger pad back onto the... Oh, let's do this first. Let's put the battery in the device. The ring scanner, okay. And then let's look at the bottom here. Of course, you saw where the trigger module attaches. We've also got this barcode for helping you pair. This can help you pair if you want to choose to pair with an app on your smartphone. And then these two pogo pins are for charging when you use an accessory like this optional single bay cradle. We have a 5-bay cradle as well. And so those pogo pins line up and charge there. So you can use a single cradle or a 5-bay cradle. Okay, so let's put this trigger module on for my right-handed use. So you could do it left-handed use or right-handed use. Let's see if we can get this thing lined up. Okay, so we see the arrows. Hopefully it's focusing on it. We got enough light. Nope. There we go. Okay, so I lined it up, locked it in place. Gonna hold down the button to start it off. Alright, so it's ready there. You can use this USB cable to charge it as well. This USB cable comes with it. Of course, you would just plug that into your computer or a wall power adapter, and then this will plug in right here. There we go. Also, there's a little spot right here, and that is where you would put the wrist strap. The wrist strap is quite good. It has a locking mechanism, so you can make it slide it around your wrist and tighten it. And that is the MS652 unboxing and quick setup video. Thank you.
Okay, so I finally got the two tapes, or the goes there. So this is the sticky side. Oh yeah. Alright, so just take that. Line it up. And push it inside, make sure you lined up right here. Halfway these into those grooves. Like that.